Hello students, in previous video we have learned how to divide 4-digit number by a single digit number, and we are doing worksheet number 2 and we have done few examples of this worksheet, few questions of this worksheet. Now today we will try to solve the second question. That means we have to divide and also check the answer. So we have learned one property, or you can say relation, between the dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder, and by which we can check our answer also. So we will try to do this question. So question number 2 of worksheet number 2. So the question is divide and check your answer. So here is the first question, that is 7352 by 2. That means we have to divide this 4-digit number by a single digit number. 7352 divided by 2. Let us divide it. 7352 divided by 2. So you know that we start from extreme left. हम बिल्कुल जो लेफ्ट में जो डिजिट है उससे हम स्टार्ट करते हैं डिवाइड करना. So here first of all what we have to check is your digit should be greater than the divisor. Divisor से greater होना चाहिए. Now here 7 is greater than 2, so it's fine. अगर ये छोटा होता then we will take one more digit. So now recite the table of 2 till 7. 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. So 7 does not comes in the table of 2. So हमें इससे पीछे जाना है. 2 3s are 6. So 2 3s are 6. Now subtract it. What is left is 1. Now what will come down? That is 3. Now again recite the table of 2 till 13. 2 6s are 12 and 2 7s are 14. So that means it does not comes in the table of 2. So we will take 2 6s are 12. So again subtract it. What is left is 1. Again next number will come down, that is 5 15. Now 2 7s are 14 and 2 8s are 16. So again it does not comes in the table of 2. So we will do right 2 7s are 14. Now subtract it. 1 is left. What will come down now? It is 2. Now recite the table of 2 till 12. 2 6s are 12. Yes. Now what is the remainder? That is 0. Now no other number is left to come down, so it is our remainder. So here quotient is, this is the quotient and this is our remainder. Now we have to check our answer. Now how we can check the answer? Do you remember the relation? Yes, the relation is divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. I told you to learn this relation. So divisor multiplied by quotient and then add remainder to it. Then if the answer is dividend equal to dividend, that means we have done the correct. That is the correct answer, you can see. So start checking your answer. What is your divisor here? Divisor is 2 multiplied by quotient. What is the quotient? 3676. 3676. And then we have to add the remainder. What is remainder here? 0. Now first of all multiply it. And rough side you can multiply 3676 multiplied by 2. Now 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14 plus 1 is 15, 2 6 are 12 plus 1 is 13, and 2 3 are 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7000, it is 7352. When we multiplied these two numbers, we get 3752. Now what is left? Plus remainder, that is 0. So the answer is, whenever we add any number by 0 and 0, then we get the number itself. Now what is the answer? 7352. Is it equal to the dividend? Check it. What is our dividend? 7352. Both of them are equal or not? Yes, it is equal to. Yes, our answer is correct. Let us do one more example. B part. What is our B part? 4325 by 6. Let us divide it. 4325. Now here we start from extreme left. What is here? 4. Now 4 is smaller than 6. Now what we will do? We have to make it greater. How? By taking 2 digits. So now what it becomes? It becomes 43. यहाँ पर 4 जो है वो डिवाइजर से छोटा है. So 6 1 जा 6. तो 6 1 जा 6 इससे बड़ा हो जाता है. So we have to make it greater by taking 2 digits. अब 2 digits हम लेंगे तो ये भी बन जाएगा. What it becomes? 43. Now it becomes 43. Now it is greater than the divisor. Now recite the table of 6 till 43. So 6 7s are 42 and 6 8s are 48. So 6 8s are 48 is greater. So 6 7s are 42. Now subtract it. What will left is 1. What will come down? 2. Now you have to recite the table of 6 till 2. 6 1 is 6 and 6 2 is 12. 12. Now subtract it. What is the answer? What is left is 0. Now one more digit is left to come down. So it will come down 5. Now see this question carefully. Now here 5 comes down, but 5 is smaller than 6. Now what you will do? Now you have to recite the table of 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 1s are 6 is greater than 5. In such type of cases, what you have to do? अब ऊपर से जब डिजिट नीचे उतरा है तो आपको टेबल तो बोलना ही पड़ेगा. दैट मीन्स जब ऊपर से कोई डिजिट नीचे उतरती है तो वी हैव टू रिसाइट द टेबल. तो 6 1 6 इज ग्रेटर. तो व्हाट वी विल डू नाउ? सो वी विल रिसाइट 6 zeros are 0. In such type of cases, we will do like this. 6 zeros are 0. That means this step is very important. Most of the students leave this question here only. This type of questions. ज़्यादातर बच्चे क्या करते हैं, यहीं पर अपना स्टॉप कर देते हैं. उनका रिमाइंडर तो ठीक आ जाता है 5, बट यहाँ पर मिस्टेक हो जाती है क्वेश्चन में. सो आपने हमेशा, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है और बहुत ज़्यादा मिस्टेक्स जो है स्टूडेंट करते हैं इसमें. जब आपका डिजिट उतरा और आपका चाहे ये डिवाइजर से छोटा भी हो, देन ऑल्सो यू हैव टू रिसाइट द टेबल. सो 6 zeros are 0 and what is left is 5. Now there is no digit to come down. अब कोई डिजिट नीचे आने को नहीं बची है, सो दिस इज अवर रिमाइंडर। अगर ये स्टेप नहीं भी करते देन ऑल्सो द रिमाइंडर विल रिमेन द सेम, बट हियर वी हैव अ मिस्टेक इन द क्वोशिएंट, पूरा आंसर हमारा रॉन्ग हो जाता। सो ये स्टेप है, बड़े ध्यान से देखेंगे और बड़ा ध्यान रखना है इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में। नाउ व्हाट इज द क्वोशिएंट हियर? हियर क्वोशिएंट इज 720 and what is the remainder? 5. Now let us check the answer. Whenever you check the answer, always write this relationship between divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. Always write. So here divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. ये मैंने थोड़ा शॉर्ट में लिख दिया है। Now here first of all we have to multiply divisor and quotient. So what is our divisor? 6 multiplied by quotient. What is our quotient? 720. And then after multiply we have to add the remainder. What is remainder here is 5. Now first of all multiply this 6 and 720 in your rough side. 720 multiplied by 6. Now 6 zeros are 0. 6 twos are 12. 1 carry over. 6 sevens are 42. Plus 1 is 43. Now after multiplication what comes is 4320. Now what is left is adding remainder. Now add this remainder. So 5 plus 0 is 5, then 2, 3, 4. So what is our answer? 4325. Now check this, whether it is equal to the dividend or not. What is our dividend here? 4325. And what is the answer here? 4325. So it is equal to the dividend. So hence our answer is correct. So in this way you can divide and check your answer. Now we have done 2 questions, and yesterday I have given 3 questions as assignment. Now today you have 4 parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4 parts as assignment. So try to solve these 4 parts of question number 2. Here you have to divide and then check your answer. And tomorrow we will learn how to divide 4-digit number by 2-digit number. So I have already told you that learn the tables till 20. So I hope that all of you are learning all the tables by heart, because I have already told you that without learning the table it is very difficult to divide the numbers. So ये क्वेश्चंस करने के साथ साथ टेबल्स भी आप लर्न कीजिए, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स ऑलरेडी नो द टेबल टिल 11 तक के टेबल तो बहुत इजीली सबको आते हैं। 10, 11 का द मोस्ट ईजीएस्ट वन, एंड 9 तक के टेबल्स आप पहले भी कर चुके हैं। Now only you have to learn tables from 13 to 20. So learn it and daily आपने उनको रिवाइज करना है। एक बार लर्न करके अगर आप सोचेंगे कि हमें लर्न हो गए तो नो, वो फिर से हम भूल जाते हैं। तो कीप ऑन लर्निंग, कीप ऑन रिवाइजिंग द टेबल्स सो दैट आपको वो हमेशा के लिए याद हो जाए। थैंक यू।